Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these DIY lanterns with candle holder stems. These are the supplies that I'm going to be using, but make sure you check out the description box below so you know exactly how much of each thing you're going to need. I started out by painting the candle holders with this matte aqua spray paint that I purchased from Walmart. For each lantern, you're going to use 4 picture frames. Now, basically what I did was just hot glue these. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of tutorials on these before. So I'm just going to hot glue the sides. You can also paint the frames if you'd like, but I left them as is because they match other frames and mirrors that are in my living room. And I'm going to put a frame at the bottom, 2 on the sides, and then 1 at the top. After gluing them together, I'm going to go ahead and take my foam board and trace the inner part of the frame, and that's going to be my bottom base. On that piece of foam board that I cut out, I went ahead and put some hot glue on the sides just so that it would stick inside of the frame. After putting the piece of foam board into the frame, I went ahead and took my hot glue and filled in any gaps and then put some a little bit above just for a little extra support. For this part, I added E6000 glue for a stronger bond. Basically what I'm doing is just putting it around the rim, and then after the E6000 glue, I'm also going to be adding hot glue so that it sticks right away and I can continue with my project. Now what I'm doing is gluing the top base to top base of the 2 candle holders. Originally I was going to make a 3-tiered one, but it was way too tall. And then after I glue that together, I'm going to take this ribbon and just wrap it around so you don't see that gap. But I'm also going to be filling that gap with hot glue just to give it a little more hold as well. And then you can use the same hot glue you used to fill in the gaps to adhere the ribbon to it. For this part, I'm also using E6000 glue and hot glue, and this is the part where the lantern's going to go onto. For the shorter lantern, I'm just going to use the 1 candle holder. Basically what I'm going to do is add my E6000 and hot glue again, and as you can see, I'm going to be gluing the top base onto the lantern, not the bottom base, which is a wider base. So if that makes sense, yes, glue the top base of the candle holder to the lantern. After that's all glued together, I'm just going to put my moss in here and make like a little nest so that I'm able to put in my LED candle right in the middle. After that, you can add whatever greenery you want into the lantern, or you can leave it as is, but I'm going to be using these new Dollar Tree stems that are super beautiful, as you can see, and very springish. So this is the end result. As you can see, I have a little bit of a chip of paint that you're going to clearly notice on there, but it's okay. I actually really like the look of these, especially those velvety faux flowers. I thought they were really pretty, and Dollar Tree definitely stepped their game up on these. So that is it for today, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you leave a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.